Mashem. Yes.
Githomo.
You know, education exposure koragwo very memorable. He maundu matariganagira mundu agithire thukuru. Mundu agire opportunity, especially high school. Yes. Na thĩinĩ wa high school ri, nĩguo ikorwo kindu gitagwo the theories and the practical. Yes. Practicals nĩcio cia dependaga na school facilitation ĩrĩa ĩkuo.
Tondu matiko macio tugithoma CDF itanoka ri.
Yes.
Ni kuri cukuru ciatagwo cukuru no itiari facilities.
Itiari lab. They did not have. Kwe mathomeire thukuru hindi ici gutari maraburi. Kwe mathomeire kundu kwari nginya na maths lab, science lab.
Now those were big institutions.
Makamwenderia guya mukarigo atia. At home science lab. Na nyo mutire nginya akemu.
To do what?
Achere mwathia mathukuru mange Science Congress warora microscope thini ukona taona thi yothe. No rita rĩa mbere mũndũ kũrora microscope thini ũguo. Wona atari igũrũ rĩerũ. Hĩndĩ yake mũrona ahana ndagĩtarĩ wa kĩrĩa wa entomology.
Ejere thukuru cia kire facilities.
Yes. Go utanoka NGCDF like you have intimated. There were those heavy challenges. Heavy. There are some schools who would come to see how a laboratory looks like. Yes.
Ni kule madhukuru matare rabu kabisa.
They had to benchmark. Kodo kugi. Mamenya at least microscope we hana atia. Beaker, spatula.
Bunsen, bana.
Ya kaina inayo. Test tube. Yes.
Na ni kule kitu geto spatula.
Spatula yale yao taga sube. Taga sodium manganate. Na potassium. Yeto was spatula. Kware pipette na bure.
Na mweke titration.
Yes. We never use those things, most of us. Titration na korra pH. Na analyzation ya cells. Yes. Wabe all the atoms and molecules. Yes. Now the practical issue. There was another form of teaching. Yet group work.
Group work.
Yes. Na group work ni hathie ogu hakarituha. Hakomira. You see mwalimu ni ikaraga oguo ni undu wa the psychological beat. Ukaigua mwalimu auga andu othe maume muthimu ikare kiharo. Yes.
Akona break the monotony.
Yes.
Ya guthomithagia hindi ciothe mumurorete muikaire thi.
Ona ni arora akona mudi iria ina ici ciana umuthi. They are actually almost sleepy. Tariu kwina riwa tariri.
Tariu kwina rugari uguo.
Yes. Ni megucunga. Everybody go to the field.
Na utoe sweater.
Sweater.
Aenda wapi na sweater wewe?
Yes. Mugathire ukiharo. Ira thici ngi magacuthi uguo makamwandi maya.
Ni maicio cia thike haro. Tui bayo dabu. Tui
bethe ki dabu. Tikano kwa jure kwa le triple.
Triple gutia.
Wito le kwa le triple.
Triple is too much work.
Triple ya na yo practical na thiori. Leso ni mugathie ki? Lab.
Dai mugathoma.
Na ndio betweka undu wake mugathie riu rufao ini.
There mara.
Yeah, ndakire undu wake. Tafundagio ni Mr. Mungai. Yes.
No, it's important.
No, I'm a carpenter. Me, I fix my own things.
Yo acho na no mina na kothi.
You know, no, guthondeka dovetail joint. Yes. No, I can. Riu no aikoraga riu mwathie group work. Mwalimu riu akamugayania. Mokerwo riu now you people go in groups of
4 or 5.
Actually, more 6 groups of those ciana cia konyige kirathi kimwe.
Ntwacona.
Arrange yourselves in groups of 6. Ndio moke yale njire. Mwaroraga riu uria mutwaranaga ke
vile mnajuana
mbogi yako. No riu hoka riu task ri. Hau niyo mwamenyaga riu ni mungihuthirie criteria.
Emu anaga uria muyaine. No ria muthakaga.
Yes. Well, you get a group 1 sit there. Under that 3.
And appoint a group leader.
Who is your group leader? Sarah. Sarah at your group. This one. Mago. Go under that. Go by the Mogumo. This one is which one? I'll give your group a name.
Yes. Mutafuta jina.
Okay, what we better made to the champions. Check him the heroes. Okay, we're gonna make the Jaguars. Yes. Lions. Her group we mama nyaga musagura ndie motetheri. What's the name of your group? Cororia. Okay, look for a better name.
What name is that?
What name is that? Bulldozer.
Okay, bulldozer.
Still not progressive, but okay.
Yes, you are leader.
Muka task moko heo. We want you to discuss among yourselves. You could analyze, do a presentation, and the outline the Portuguese conquest of East Africa before 1600 AD. Ukona group ya bere ukona ginya nimaro omwe ni group leader ni arugamite andu maratire moete boko iguru yes yes inyo doro ri wala ocio ni ukona no kwamba me No, you have never had anything like that in your life. You have no idea there was a conquest. No, wako makagene ati inyuo the motire mwaigua tu.
No, uria wagotuaga ngoropio ukamenya ha mwiro ina mabere ni ginya group leader wanyu is totally clueless.
He's staring into space. Anaona horizon.
Group leader wanyu do topic ira mwaheo dari ginya leadership skills.
Yes. Aheo furus kapu. Amuheo mundu nyima. Muko na group eri ege. Twe maigirwo kuraihu. Mutinge maigua. Muko na moire moko. Karibu riuge. Okay, what are those people discussing?
Tuheo topic imwe.
I mean, magikige mundu ondu waku kana maradia ma story ma muzi.
Muthiage like 10 minutes into the discussion.
Yes.
Ukarialize group area champions.
Yes.
They have one secretary.
Yes.
Aya ageni ya gucagira.
Yes.
Inyuĩ kwanyu na utiri kindu muri murandika. You are staring at the sun.
Wakoro, the only contribution group yanyu make it in that minute. No, mwatu ugira trade. Dieu muno. No, let's hear the mukala kafa skodagamba.
Usiala ya network hani.
Na igure passively. Mukajere nyakorigira atikira yetomire. Mwese agure oguo. Duatekagia iri muno ikorosi.
No, makaga. How foolish you can be in a whole group.
We cannot all be that stupid.
Ai, mani yedu ni duka kaudu.
Mani yedu ni wedu kirigo ni maundu ma. Itakio ni matoi maya. Egwecagia tukuria horo wa national anthem uyo ni njui. Yaumire poko morara bai. Ayo ithera. Nawe nduwe. Ejin. Yeni urahara kindu.
No bairo uraria.
Anaki. Kire mwarimu tutirahara tucenjerio kiuria. Ukora moga mutirahara kuu ni kwigirira ki?
Kwigirira punishment. Mlichukuana bogolala tupu.
Wewe andika uri andika. Ile tiwe group leader. Ukamba gathuro nene ucio tondu ukuriraga na
koza mbuzi.
Unaongoza msafara wa kondoo. Mbuzi 3 mzee Kobe. Na ndurume 3. Na nyuno mwari wathe how silly can we be? Ati gutiri no mwe turi atandatu owi. Na aria ni marandika. Aria ni marandika. Mwacoka mukona riu umwe ri he umwe wa mathomagira bahasha akombogi ni no yanyu no akamenya riu oka hau kou ni kwineana akeia gathi group ya machopi ndiona au contribute group ikihururu he ario hau
He will be accommodated.
Yeah, he will be part of the effort akeia mangai no Kimani tai kumenya oria tu
mani ine haria githire na ni ama shopi matheri
na utie kindu kirauga hau ni kwandikirwo maundu mothe
gikumireire hau
itaki uyo nakio yo ndo kengehara ora thie kiroya guoko
kira no kimaiyire maembe
kinya handu mukona ngurubu imwe yokira mukariwa ai
how
ni marekia
indi inyu mustragolire ginya furu skabudirira kinya nuthu
ora mutiati mwandikire topic yore
no ru haria hamuneanaga
yes
mugakiro ru group ciothe ru wind up
yes
muthie presentation
yes na mwalimu nake nu ni amenya amote akauga mwanjie at least kugia na comic relief
riu maitho mothe mugathie haria Bomas plenary
National Talent
Center and the result will start trickling in.
Ona machopi magiathire mbere you are so thick andu ngirikana uria maguo cokere Kaiwa, thank you very much, Madam Mrs. Muriithi. Thank you for this noble task. My group, myself, our group consisting of Christopher Muraguri, Susan Wakamau, Harold Muraguri. They even have
no mashagoranire mena ginya munene.
Yes,
mena ginya ranks.
Our able secretary has been able to pen down our ideas. We thank our honorable chairman for delegating the role of presenting to me as I present and to my presentation. Ando makahura rohi inye mwidoro mkogai
wiro cio the maruta na ndagika ici ginya gucagurana
atwe magikirani bururi
kamunari na riki
and to my presentation. The Portuguese conquest of East Africa started in 1600 BID after the Queen of Portugal saw the necessity and the wealth richness of the East African coast. He sent Vasco da Gama as the first general. Vasco da Gama, however, failed at the conquest and they sent Luis Lourenço of Vasco. This was the second general who actually conquered. And after his expedition, they sent Francisco de Almeida. Mukaliwa Asionea.
Muarutako.
Does those people even exist? Pedro Alvarez Cabral was cognizant with the struggle because after he conquered the East African coast, Vasco da Gama was resent. And Vasco da Gama, is good to note that he was fairly short. Vasco da Gama to you, the winner, you know, I thought a group ya Daka.
Amote.
Thank. My name is what is Budhia. Our group name Burudosa. Okay, you could the Karang. Our secretary was me. And our chairman Os Julius igo magatheka. Como tigo chagura nito.
Urongerera kuu nigetha ukongerere presentation. Uraiharairie.
The Portugal, not Portugal. Portuguese conquest of East Africa was full of war. Which war? Presentation is here. Mugatumiro reu johiga igiri. They give you a dress down and a lecture.
At least mamoto ekure
akiri. Nemwaino ka mweteketie muri irimu. Nwa ona haria tugeragia gukwihe hinyari. We are very silly.
Akenda na bote nai.